This beautifully maintained first-floor home in Villagio offers one bedroom plus a den with a peaceful lake view. The setting is quiet and inviting with an easy walk to all of the community amenities. The owners have taken great care of the property. The water tank was replaced in 2021, the air conditioner was replaced in 2018, and a new walk-in shower was installed in 2023. All appliances are newer, there are 5 ceiling fans, and the living room has an attractive newer window treatment that adds a polished finish. The open living area feels bright and relaxed, and the den provides excellent flexibility for a home office or guest room. Villagio features 2 beautiful pools, a spa, tennis and pickleball, a fitness center, an on-site cafe and sports bar, and a private movie theater that shows films in the evenings. A very important advantage is that this condominium is approved for FHA financing. Very few communities offer this, which makes this home a strong opportunity for a wider range of qualified buyers. Villagio has long been admired for its peaceful setting and friendly feel. The mature trees, lakes and walkways create a calm backdrop for daily living, and the central plaza brings neighbors together. The cafe offers simple meals and coffee, and the sports bar is a popular meeting spot for weekend games and social gatherings. The private theater is a signature feature that lets residents enjoy a movie night without leaving the community. The location adds even more appeal. Villagio is close to Coconut Point, Miromar Outlets, Gulf Coast Town Center, and a wide choice of dining and entertainment. The beaches, RSW International Airport, Florida Gulf Coast University and Hertz Arena are all easy drives from the front gate. This comfortable mix of quiet surroundings and convenient access makes Villagio attractive to both full-time and seasonal residents. A recent community special assessment in the amount of $1,422 was issued for improvements and maintenance. The seller has paid this amount in full, which gives the next owner added peace of mind and supports the continued quality of the community. With its well-cared-for interior, relaxing water view, thoughtful upgrades and rare FHA approval, this home offers outstanding